Today, I'm going to teach you how to send remittance advice to suppliers in Xero. This is a professional way to notify your suppliers that you've processed their payment, keeping your business relationships transparent and well documented. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're logged into your Xero account, direct your attention to the top navigation bar, click on Purchases, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Purchases Overview. This section is where you'll manage all your supplier bills and payment activities. On the Purchases Overview page, you'll see a summary of your purchase transactions. Click on See All to expand the full list of bills. Now locate and click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This filters your view to show only the bills that haven't been marked as paid yet, making it easier to find the specific transaction you need to process. Now browse through the list and select the bill you wish to send a remittance advice for. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Bill Overview page. This page displays all the details related to that particular bill, including amounts, due dates, and supplier information. Scroll down to the bottom part of the bill overview and look for the Make a Payment section. Here, you'll notice that the amount paid will be entered as default based on the bill total. Enter the date paid, which is when you actually processed the payment, and select the date from field to choose the bank account from which the payment was made. Once you've filled in these details, click Add Payment. This action records the payment in your system and prepares Xero to send the remittance advice. After clicking Add Payment, a Send Remittance Advice window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll configure how the notification is sent to your supplier. Start by entering the supplier's email address in the designated field. Next, select the branding theme that matches your company's identity and choose the appropriate email template. These settings ensure your remittance advice looks professional and consistent with your other communications. If you'd like to personalize the message, edit the remittance content, you can modify the subject line or body text to include key payment details or a friendly note to your supplier. This step is optional but can add a nice touch to your business correspondence. Before sending, you have the option to receive a copy of the remittance advice yourself. If you'd like to keep a record in your inbox, simply tick the Send Me a Copy checkbox. This is useful for tracking communications and ensuring everything was sent correctly. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the details, click Send to dispatch the remittance advice to the supplier. Your supplier will receive a clear notification that their payment has been processed, complete with all the relevant transaction details. And that's it. You've successfully sent remittance advice to your supplier in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.